Meaning of flu.
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 Flu. Flu is a shorter term for influenza, which is a viral disease that affects the respiratory system. It is highly contagious and can cause symptoms such as fever, cough, sore throat, runny or stuffy nose, body aches, headache, chills and fatigue. In severe cases, it can lead to complications such as pneumonia, which can be fatal. Vaccines are available to help prevent the flu, but frequent hand washing and avoiding close contact with sick individuals are also recommended preventive measures.